First of all, a big congrats to Chiefs. They played very well. They were more hungrier than us. Every ball they contested, every move they contested, so they deserved to win. That's one thing for sure. I thought we committed suicide at the back because our defending was really poor, especially in the central defense, and Chiefs took advantage of our poor defending. But all in all, I wish Chiefs all the best in their quest to survive relegation. For us, all we can do is just live in hope, because I think today was the day we should have come up and showed character, but we just did not, because Chiefs didn't afford us to do it. They were the better side. As I said, all we do is just live in hope, because if the results go the other way, then we're done. But